Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. And this is sort of their entry-level budget-oriented tablets. Guys, if you recall, we have seen the Galaxy Tab S7, that was their higher end, but this one is their entry-level Android tablet. And it comes in actually two variants, guys. The base variant is Wi-Fi only, that's for 18,000, and we also have a cellular one that's for 4,000 rupees more at about 22,000. And this is being sold in India via Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's quickly just open this up. So here it just says Tab A7. So here it is. Feels actually very light. Comes in this nice packaging, and the surprise thing is that it says that this one has a quad speaker, and generally this quad speaker setup and all those things were reserved only for higher end tablets. So nice to see. So this is the tablet itself. It's supposed to have a 10.4 inch screen. We'll look at it, and nice, it's metallic back. I thought it would be completely plastic, so that's actually nice. Let's see what else do we get. We shouldn't get a lot of things. So quick start guide and all those things. So we also have a SIM ejector tool over here. Because we also get a cellular variant, as I've told you, and your Type-C cable, I'm assuming. Yes, a Type-C to Type-A cable, and a power brick, which is actually a 15-watt power brick with this one. So that's what we get. Not a lot of things. So let me just put this back to the side, and let's look at the tablet itself. And as you can see, this is the tablet itself, and it's a 10.4 inch WXGA IPS LCD screen. And on the back we have the camera, that's 8 megapixel. I believe front facing is here, that's 5 megapixel. And let's go. So we have two speakers over here, and power button. This is your volume rocker. Let me just pop in. This is actually secondary noise cancellation microphone over here, one here, and one more over here. Again, two more speakers. So that's what quad speaker setup that generally we don't find. And we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's nice, because that's one thing that is being skipped on a lot of tablets. So let's just pop this out. I believe it accepts a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. So let's just open this. So yeah, it's a hybrid kind of a solution, guys. You can put your nano SIM or a micro SD card, as I've told you, up to 1 terabyte. Again, if you have the cellular version, obviously you can put the SIM card, otherwise you can't. So that's what it physical overview. I like that the front facing camera is here in this orientation, because these days we are doing a lot of Zoom calls, etc. So I like this placement. Many of the tablets have it like this. It's very awkward, so I feel that's nice. So let's do one thing. Let's just power it on and have a look. So it says Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, and guys, by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, here is a configuration overview. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 is having a 10.4 inch IPS LCD screen. It's powered by the Snapdragon 662 octa-core chipset. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 GB of storage with 1 terabyte expansion for micro SD card slot. It also has Knox security, quad stereo speakers, 8 megapixel rear facing camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera, and a 7040 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've set up the tablet, so let's have a closer look at the same. And as you can see, this is the tablet. It has that 10.4 inch screen. It's an IPS LCD screen, and I feel the quality for the price is good. As you can see, these are some of the apps that are pre-installed. Not a lot of junkware. Again, if this is the cellular model, that's why we have the phone app. If it's just Wi-Fi, you won't have it. Netflix is pre-installed, and of course some of the Samsung apps are there, but not a lot of junkware, as you can see. So that's actually nice on this one. And typical Samsung One UI, quick toggles over here. We also have Dolby Atmos on this one, and in fact the sound quality is really good. I'll play a video because of that quad speaker. I wasn't expecting this good sound, and these are some of the quick toggles that we have here. And if we go over, let me just show you the Android version and all those things. If I go over here, typical Samsung UI, that you see about the tablet and software information. Android version is 10 that we are getting on this, and One UI version is 2.5. And good thing is that we have Knox security. Generally we didn't find Knox security on budget oriented devices from Samsung. This was limited to mid-tier or premium products. Nice to see that we have Knox security on this one. And if we go towards the storage device care, I feel you'll have to add a micro SD card because the built-in storage is less. Out of that 32 gigabytes, 19.3 gigabytes is available to you, but as I've told you that micro SD card up to 1 terabyte is supported, so you can add it and then you have ample storage. You don't have to worry about it. It has face unlocking, so let's see. I registered it without wearing the specs, so let's see. And as you can see, it unlocked. So the face unlocking is fast. That's how you use it. And as you can see, it unlocked. So that's regarding the unlocking of this product. And it's running on the Snapdragon 662 SoC, which is an octa-core processor. And I feel I played around with this one for about half an hour, and I feel for general tasks and general stuff, it is actually good. Now let's check out the speakers. This is having that quad speaker. Generally we don't find this stuff, and I was just playing around with this. And let's just play one of my own videos so that I don't fall into copyright issues.
Recharge your mobile from the safety of home.
I'll just skip this.
Open app and select recharge option.
I'll just
Enter
skip
phone
this.
number and select recharge plan.
To the unboxing and have a first look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. FE stands for, as you can see, it's and as you can stereo see, speakers nothing from here on the box at the back. This is new trend that Samsung is doing. Here it says Galaxy S20. So the speakers are actually really loud, guys. I can't show you copyrighted material. Let me just search for some copyright free songs and let's play that. So let's just play this copyright free song to give you an idea. And as you can see, it's loud. Actually, it goes very loud. So good job there, Samsung. You have put actually really good quality speakers, and big thing is stereo speakers. Generally we don't find this on these kind of tablets, so again adds a lot of immersive experience, I would say. So that's actually nice. And again, as I've told you, initial experience, this is the Snapdragon 662, so nice that they went with this one. One thing to note is that this tablet does not have that pen support. So if you're looking for that pen support, then you might have to go with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. But again, it also has that rear facing camera. We don't use rear facing camera a lot on the tablets, but yeah, it is there. It's a 8 megapixel. So let's just have a closer look at it. And front is actually 5. So this is a typical Samsung, what do you say, camera app. And you can even zoom. There's a digital zoom, guys. So this is what we have. But I feel you will be using the front facing camera a lot more, and I guess you'll be using it for video conferencing and stuff like that. So let me do one thing. Let me actually shoot a video with this one to give you an idea how it is. A sample with the front facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. And again, guys, as you can see, this is an artificial lighting in my office. So this is how you'll be using in typical scenarios. These days we are doing a lot of video conferencing and stuff. Audio is also being recorded via its internal microphone. So you guys let me know, what do you feel about the same? So guys, that's it for now for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. So what do you guys think about this Tab A7? Do let me know in the comment section. I feel it's a good what do you say, Android tablet if you are on a tight budget, and I like the fact that this one has that quad speakers and that Knox security. Again, it's also very light to hold, and the battery life should be very good because the Snapdragon 662 is a pretty power efficient processor, and it has that over 7000 milliamp hour battery. But anyways, what do you guys think about this one? Do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, online this will be available via Amazon India. I'll leave the links in the description below. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.